Welcome to the magic world of how things are made. Let's find out. Once upon a time, in a small kitchen in the enchanted forest, there lived some little animals who decided to make peanut butter. The leader was a squirrel named Squirky, who always had big ideas. Squirky gathered her friends on a lovely sunny morning. Everyone was excited and ready to start. But first, they had to gather some peanuts. So, they decided to go to the big peanut plant that was in the heart of the forest. Along the way, Lily the bunny hopped happily, while Spike the hedgehog rolled gently through the small hills. Their mission was to collect enough peanuts to work with. Once they reached a large plant, which looked like a tree, they saw it was full of ripe and delicious peanuts. Rocky, the raccoon, known for his dexterity, quickly climbed up and began collecting peanuts in his backpack. After collecting a large amount, everyone returned to the kitchen. Squirky the squirrel, with her quick little paws, began dividing the peanuts into small piles for each of her friends. To the sound of crunching peanuts, they began to remove the shells. Lily, with her little ears wiggling with excitement, reminded everyone not to forget to carefully wash the peanuts before crushing them. Now, all ready for the next step, clever Spike used a rolling pin to crush the peanuts, while Squirky watched carefully, making sure everyone was safe and no one got hurt. Later, when all the peanuts were well crushed, Rocky, who was very strong, began to grind everything in a large mortar with firm and strong movements. The delicious aroma of peanuts began to fill the air. Squirky, always prepared, took out a jar of honey from the pantry and indicated that a small amount would improve the taste of the peanut butter. The friends carefully stirred, making sure to mix it well. The mixture began to take on a creamy and shiny texture, and Lily offered to taste a little on her tongue. "Delicious!" she exclaimed, jumping with joy. Driven by Lily's enthusiasm, Rocky suggested adding a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors even more. Squirky agreed and sprinkled some from above. The sound of laughter echoed in the kitchen as the friends worked together. Finally, Spike took the hand mixer and began to mix everything at a more steady speed until the mixture was perfectly smooth. With the peanut butter ready, they poured the creamy contents into small glass jars that Squirky had collected. Each jar was carefully labeled with dates, as they liked to keep track of all their creations in the pantry. After a job well done, the friends sat around a log table, spreading the peanut butter on some crispy toast they had prepared beforehand. Their little mouths were filled with flavors and smiles. "We did it," declared Spike, who couldn't stop licking his lips. With the moon beginning to peek out, they put away the jars, promising each other that at dawn they would continue experimenting with new recipes that they could share with the other inhabitants of the forest. That night, the kitchen air was filled with joy and a light peanut aroma as the friends prepared for sleep, dreaming of new culinary adventures. If you like learning how peanut butter is made, will you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up? Thank you. See you soon.